Famous for its wines and cheeses, France is the world's most popular tourist destination, receiving 82 million foreign tourists annually. Visitors are attracted by historic sites, a beautiful countryside, the castles of the Loire Valley and Brittany and Normandy. In addition, France offers an agreeable climate, some excellent beaches on the French Riviera, the Atlantic coast, and the island of Corsica, wide possibilities for winter sports, most notably in the Alps and the Pyrenees, and a rich culture with food and wines that are among the most celebrated in the world. Here's a look at the top tourist attractions in France. Number 10. Millau Bridge. The Millau Viaduct is a cable bridge that happens to be the tallest bridge in the world at 1,125 feet. The four-lane bridge spans the valley of the River Tarn in southern France. Opening in 2004, the bridge is considered one of France's greatest engineering feats. Number 9. Pont de Gard. The Pont de Gard is an old Roman bridge that crosses the River Gardon in southern France. Built around 40 AD, it was part of a long watercourse to bring water from a spring in Uzès, the Roman colony of Nîmes. At 160 feet tall, it is the highest of all the Roman aqueduct bridges. Number 8. Carcassonne. Cité de Carcassonne is a historic fortified city in the Languedoc-Roussillon region. The city dates back about 2,500 years and became part of France in the mid-13th century. At one time, it was the center of the French woolen textile industry. A 19th century restoration project of the cité turned Carcassonne into the popular tourist destination it is today. Number 7. Chartres Cathedral. The Chartres Cathedral is located in a small city near Paris that seems too small to fit the cathedral. The vast nave, the porches adorned with fine sculptures, and the magnificent 12th and 13th century stained glass windows, all in remarkable condition, make it one of the finest examples of the French High Gothic style. Number 6. Château de Chambord. The chateau to end all chateaux, the Château de Chambord is a masterpiece of the French Renaissance. Construction of the Château de Chambord started in 1519 by King Francois I so he could hunt in the nearby forests. The cold and massive 440 rooms of the chateau made it unpopular as an actual residence, and Francois I himself stayed here for less than 40 days in total. Number 5. Gorge du Verdon. The Gorge du Verdon, located in southeastern France, is considered one of Europe's most beautiful river canyons. It's at its deepest at almost 2,300 feet in an area that offers the best views as the green emerald Verdon River winds its way through the canyon. Number 4. Mont Saint-Michel. Mont Saint-Michel is a small tidal island located just off the coast of Normandy. A spectacular and well-preserved Norman Benedictine Abbey of Saint-Michel stands at the peak of the rocky island, surrounded by the winding streets and convoluted architecture of the medieval town. A causeway connects the mainland with the island. Number 3. Palace of Versailles. The Palace of Versailles is frequently associated with Marie Antoinette, the French queen who was beheaded during the French Revolution. The royal palace started out as a hunting lodge in 1624 and became more ornate over the years. Located outside of Paris, Versailles is known for the Hall of Mirrors and beautiful gardens. Number 2. Saint-Tropez. Saint-Tropez is a resort community on the French Riviera. Once a military stronghold, fishing village, and artist colony, it is now a playground for the jet set. The beaches are popular with scantily clad sunbathers, while others come for windsurfing, sailing, and yachting. Outside peak summer, there are less celebrities to spot, but you'll also instantly appreciate what lured artists, writers, and filmmakers to this picturesque village. Number 1. Eiffel Tower. The Eiffel Tower is the symbol of Paris. The tower was built by Gustave Eiffel as the entrance arch for the International Exhibition of Paris in 1889. At 1,063 feet tall, it is still the highest building in Paris, offering stunning vistas of the city below. Since its construction, more than 200 million people have visited the Eiffel Tower, making it the most visited paid tourist attraction in the world.